Hi everyone, and welcome to the screencast for the snowy Sunday, February 10th. Schedule for the week here. We have our grading window closing first thing Monday morning at 8 o'clock, so hopefully everybody has their grades in so that on Tuesday Amy can start printing those off and getting them back to your boxes to be handed out. And we have a staff meeting for teachers on Wednesday. Report cards go home on Valentine's Day this Thursday. BLT meeting then too, and then Friday. Nothing too exciting going on Friday, but we do have on Monday, President's Day, no school. So something to look forward to, and something else to look forward to on Tuesday, February 19th. Kindergarten registration, third time's the charm. We will have it on Tuesday. If you have the ability to volunteer to help out, we would love your help. So please let kindergarten teachers know if you're able to help out on Tuesday, February 19th for our kindergarten registration. Hey, we also have a lot of different things going on in February, so I thought I'd take a quick second to review these. I know I sent these out in an email. We've talked about report cards, but on Monday, our online conference times will be sent out by me to parents so that they can sign up on Sign Up Genius. That should go out about 5 p.m. After that time, feel free to share any information with that link to them, and I'll make sure to email teachers too when I send it out so everybody sees the same thing. February 19th, I talked about kindergarten registration, and I'm very excited for February 28th. Stop, Chomp, Read, and Count, 6:30 to 8 o'clock. Looking forward to that, and thanks to all the people that are helping out with that and making that a great success. Hey, something kind of fun and exciting on the inside page. These three characters were recognized as featured teachers, particularly for their student voice and choice. I know we have an amazing school with amazing teachers doing lots of different things that benefit our kids, and it's fun to get recognized for that once in a while. So congratulations, fourth grade team. If you want to, you can click on this link, and it goes right to there so you can see what's happening there with them. Some great ideas, and always good to get some good press. So congratulations, fourth grade team. Going on, PBIS. As a reminder, last week with your class, you should have focused on hallways and reviewing those expectations. And this week's focus is twofold. We are focusing on lunch as well as recess and playground. So how are you going to do that? Well, I can help you with that, or I can't help you with that, but our PBIS team sure can. How to reteach lunchroom expectations. There's a couple links here that you can go on here. It gives you some ideas on that. Make sure that you are being explicit about what those expectations are so we can review those. It really helps if there's a problem that we can say, yep, remember how we taught these, remember what we're doing, so we're all on the same page. So please remember to do that with your class this week. And then also don't forget to update your sheet here, so that we can get that taken care of and put this in here with all of our classes and see all of our faces, and just as a reminder that we've gone through all of that. A little bit more information on recess and playground too. Some other links here for that, and we have some great pictures here pre-snow, as you can see. So thank you to those of you that helped make that. That is great. So some exciting things going on there. And then once again, don't forget to fill it in on here, check off the area. So in the end, we can put it on here. So coming up on that, just a few things to do there. So looks like another snowy week. Surprise, surprise. So we will get through it. We will thrive in it, and it will be another great week. So looking forward to seeing everybody tomorrow. Have a great rest of the weekend, and stay warm. See you soon.